What is up, you guys? Austin here with Life Proof Grooming. Today, I probably wouldn't be wrong in assuming you clicked on this video because you read the title or saw the thumbnail or something and you were just curious about the content. After all, you probably didn't ask the question that I'm going to try and answer in today's video. And so the question I'm going to try and answer today, after doing a little research and, after my own experience, is whether or not having a beard helps your mental health. Now it sounds almost a little comical of a question, right? You may wonder why something like that would have anything to do with your mental health. But then I kind of started to think about how I felt after growing one and how all the guys I've talked to have felt after growing one, because I've made content about this stuff for so long now, that it really made me start to wonder if there was really any kind of proof or longevity to this concept. And here's what I found. So there are essentially three kind of schools of thought that I've found when digging into this. And so we're going to be breaking down into three subcategories. The first one being self-image, the way you view yourself and if you enjoy having a beard because it makes you feel or look a certain way that you enjoy. The second one being community, which is pretty much this channel or a lot of other forums out there or anything like that around the bearded topic. And then lastly, it's the practice, the ability to kind of get into a grooming routine that makes you feel good surrounding your beard, whether your beard is actually the focus or not, that just kind of takes your mind off of things and maybe helps your mental health. So let's first talk about the actual beard itself and how it looks on you. It's true that most guys who rock a beard have started the beard growing process because they simply thought it would look good for them. It would be a style that works for them. After all, that's why I did, and I'm happy with the result. If you feel good, you feel like you look good, you become more confident as a result because you're willing to put yourself out there. You're willing to take the risks that lead to the high rewards. You're willing to take advantage of the opportunities that present themselves to you if you feel like your best self. And oftentimes, beards lead to that self-image for a lot of guys out there who grow them. So that's the first way that a beard can help your mental health. It has to do with the actually wearing the beard and your self-image wearing it. Now let's talk about community. The bearded community is actually really, really huge. There are tons of YouTube channels, tons of forums. Pretty much every question you could ever ask about beard or beard products or beard color or anything like that has been answered and talked to at great length in some of these communities, especially here on the Volt channel. We've got tons of videos on stuff, so subscribe. But it's really, really easy to find this kind of community, ask these questions, find people similar to you who may be dealing with the same problems if you're trying to grow a beard or if you have a beard already, and kind of get sucked into that kind of community. Maybe you want to try different beard styles or grow it out a certain way like you see on someone else, or maybe try different beard products that help you style your beard, like a mustache wax or something like that. And that kind of community and that sense of brotherhood, can make you feel not so alone, especially if you're dealing with struggles trying to grow a beard or if you're dealing with struggles in life in general. Because I am under the impression that if you do something that you enjoy and you're surrounded by people who like doing similar things, then you have found a good place for you to be. And that can make a world of a difference in getting you out of the kind of mindset of being maybe alone or struggling by yourself, and overall just help you default to that mindset of abundance, which we all enjoy. And so lastly, I want to talk about the third and maybe the most elusive way that a beard can help your mental state, and that is simply the routine of caring for it. Some of the most successful people in the world say that you cannot be successful if you don't have a routine of some sort. That means waking up, that means grooming, that means whatever you eat, your exercise. It happens everywhere in life. A routine and consistency is the ultimate way to get to where you want to be. And that alone can help your life feel a bit more structured, help you, feel a bit more productive because you know what has to be done each and every day. And so adding beard care and beard grooming and maintenance and that kind of thing, which a beard requires, is a good way to start structuring starting a new routine that you maybe want to try that helps you look good and feel good and ultimately feel better about yourself. Because in the same way that idle hands are the devil's playthings, an idle mind is as well. And if you've ever spent too long being bored, you know exactly what I mean. You start to obsess over every little thing and overthink every decision, and overall it comes across that you're not very confident. And so in many ways, having a beard, having the routine, having a community, and that kind of thing is a way for you to build your own confidence, and in that kind of way helps you maintain your mental health, which you may not have thought about in this whole beard growing process. Now, this doesn't apply to just beards, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should grow a beard because it's gonna help your mental health. I'm saying that these are some of the ways that people who have decided to grow beards have noticed benefits in their lives. And the same can be said if you choose to do pretty much anything that makes you feel good, that I would urge you to do that's not self-destructive. And that is kind of the key, is doing things that get you from point A to point B that is not self-destructive, and it's not just a means to an end, but a way of enjoying the journey. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this little psychology breakdown of beard and how it possibly helps people's mental state like it's helped mine before, then I would encourage you guys to like and subscribe, because we do everything beard and men's grooming related on this channel. If you guys have more suggestions, more questions, more interesting thoughts or comments or concerns, leave that in the comment section below. We would love to get back to you guys. I just want to say thank you again. I will see you in the next video.